welcome to this video. So in this video I am going to tell you about the NTA GIPMAT 22 online form, right? So this NTA, National Testing Agency, which conducts JEE and NEET, the same NTA is conducting GIPMAT 2022, right? What is this GIPMAT? GIPMAT means nothing but the Joint Integrated Program in Management Admission Test, right? So this is the GIPMAT. The students should have 12th, and he can be either science, commerce, or arts. All these three branches can write this exam, right? Students of all these three branches can write this exam, right? So this is about GIPMAT. So qualification means the student should have 10th as well as 12th, irrespective of the branch: science, commerce, and arts. All three kind of students can write this exam, right? Age limit, no age limit for this exam. For more information, read notification, right? About notification, links, everything I will be providing in description box, right? So application fees for general candidate or OBC, it will be 2000. SC ST, economically weaker section, general, physical handicapped, transgender candidate will have 1000 rupees. And the payment mode is through debit card, except master and visa card, these are not applicable. Credit card is there, net banking or UPI means phone pay, Google Pay, that thing, right? So important dates, these are the important dates, right? So application starts from 10/5, so it has been started on May 10 only, and it will end around 9/6, means June it will end up. Payment fees last date is 10/6, before 12 p.m, means 11:50 p.m you have to pay the fees, right? So correction of particular application form on website on to be announced later, right? So see, these things, everything they have told to be announced later about admit card, examination center information, or correction, everything, right? So these things you have to remember, that whenever you put any application, every 2 days you have to check the website whether any new information has come or not. Either you have appeared for CET, NEET, or NDA, such kind of exams, you have to daily you have to check it, right? Website you have to check it daily once. So date of examination they have given 3/7, means July, on Sunday 3rd it will be there. Center, date, test, subject code, everything will be in your admit card, right? That you will get it later. So you have to check this everything, right? So declaration of the result to be announced later, right? You have, if you are in touch with this website, you will get to know all these details, right? Links, official website link, this is the link. Notification link, and this is online application, how to put registration and online procedure is there in this links, right? These links will be provided in your description box. So if I click this link, I will open with the website. So this is the main official page of this GIPMAT. See, gipmat.nta.ac.in, right? So about GIPMAT they have told. So if you click here, you will get information bulletin, that is everything about this exam, syllabus, important dates, how to apply, what are the things, how the result will be, everything you'll get it here. GIPMAT new registration, if you click here, you will get the registration and application process will start, right? So if I click this information bulletin, I'll get this PDF, right? So here you'll get to know about Joint Integrated Program in Management Admission Test, GIPMAT 2022, right? So this is information bulletin. Their vision, mission, core values, everything is included here. So see, about introduction they have given at glance. About NTA they will talk about this IIM, means Indian Institute of Management, right? So if you write this exam, if you qualify, you will get seat in where? Indian Institute of Management, both Gaya and Jammu, right? So and Indian Institute of Management, both Gaya and Jammu, Joint Integrated Program Management Admission Test 2020. About this test they will talk about. Details of examination they will talk about, means what is the syllabus and all. Reservations, eligibility criteria, provision related person or disability, right? Physically, everything will, general instructions, how the exam will be conducted, what is the marks and all, right? So how the exam will be there, computer based test, CBT means computer based test exam will be there. The guidelines of that, conduction of exam, test practice centers. So before writing exam, practice centers will be there. About that, everything they will talk in this information bulletin. So if you are planning to apply for this and to get, you have to download this information bulletin, and you have to keep it very safely, because after if you get selected, you won't be knowing where what the next processor is. So if you have all these things, you will read it and you will get to know, right? So all information bulletin of CET, NEET, NDA, all these things you have to keep it with you, and everything you have to read it and confirm it, right? So about the important dates and fees, everything which I have read, right? Same thing they have given here. So if you go through this PDF, you can get it. You can take the screenshot and you can save it, and every day you have to check it, right? So website link, everything briefly they have given everything about this. So about joint integrated program management, about NTA, they have talked everything about this, right? So see, IIM Bodh Gaya, right? One branch, and second branch is IIM Jammu. So these are the two branches. Overview. So postgraduate integrated means you will get both UG as well as PG. Even you can do PhD in management also, right? So what are the importance? Everything you will get to know. So there are, so YouTube available is there. What is the importance of doing management? If you press, you will get job opportunities and all you will get to know, right? So see, examination details. So mode of examination will be online, that is computer based test. Pattern of examination will be like, see, qualitative aptitude 33 questions will be there, data interpretation and logical reasoning 33 questions, verbal ability and reading comprehensive 34 questions, total 100 questions. Each carries 4 marks, so 400 question you will going to write, right? And there will be, if any wrong question happens, one negative mark is there, one negative mark, right? So syllabus, see, quantitative aptitude they have told. What is this quantitative aptitude? So questions will be asked test under the applications of various concepts up to class 10th mathematics, right? So that comes in quantitative aptitude. Data interpretation and logical reasoning. So this contains data interpretation means questions will be asked to the test ability to interpret from the given data set. So they will give a data, and you have how thoroughly you can interpret that. Based on that, questions will be found. Logical reasoning means questions will be asked to test the reasoning ability, means if questions are there, how you are going to reason that questions, those things will be there, right? So section C, verbal ability and reading comprehension. Verbal ability they will ask, in which ask you to the test based understanding of English language, how you are thorough with the English and how you are going to interpret that given thing, that they are going to test. Reading comprehension means questions will be asked to test the ability of comprehend, interpret and infer from given passage, right? They will give the passage, they will ask some questions, you have to interpret that, right? So things will be easy, no doubt, but you have to be, right? So 10th till 10th maths you have to be thorough with, right? Duration of exam will be 2 or 30 minutes, total 150 minutes will be there, and you have to answer 100 questions. See how many, around 1.5 you may get to answer one question, right? Examination schedule, so they have given, see, this is the examination schedule, you can take the screenshot. I hope this video will be helpful for you, right? So this is all about this information bulletin of GIPMAT. So you can see why, how to apply, see what is the application. If any certificate you have to apply, file size should be 50 KB to 300 KB. These things you know because you have appeared so many exams, right? So this is about GIPMAT information bulletin. If I click here, new registration, if I click here, I'll get up this first link. So registration form, first you have to add personal details, qualification details, documents upload and payment. Last step will be payment. So before doing all this step, you have to register. So this is the registration, your name, father name, mother name, date of birth, ID, identity type, Aadhaar card will be there, okay? ID card, email ID, confirmation, everything you have to submit here. Once it is done, you will get one registration number along with that password. So that registration application number, and with that password which you have set, if you enter this here, you will log in, and further you are going to put all this qualification details, documentation, and last step will be payment. So this is about GIPMAT. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If so, please share with your friends so that they should come up, they should know about this, because when we were the student we knew only about medical field, this engineering field or teaching field, that in science only, but we didn't know about this management, hotel management, administration, such things we didn't know. But this is the opportunity, you can go through these things also, you can discover, later on you can choose what you want to do, right? Thank you.